Hey guys, Dynamite 647 here, and in this video we'll look at changing or how to change your cabin air filter and the engine air filter. Compared to a dealership, you can save about 10 to 15 bucks if you buy them from your local parts store rather. So let's go ahead and first change your cabin air filter. So here under the hood, this is where your air filter is for your engine air filter, and there's some just tabs around each side. And once you undo the tabs, you'll see the air filter under it. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're gonna start here. Just pull the tab back. So here, I'm gonna lift this out. Now what you could do is just remove the air filter, and as you can see, the old one, it's really dirty. So let's see what's in the box here, in the frame. Just leave the, so look at the difference. Toyota uses dense air filters. This is the OEM one. Alright guys, so there's the new filter, and if you forget how this one goes in, you see this shape irregularity at the top. That's the side that's going to go in towards the battery. So you just lift the old one in. So once you put it in, make sure the tabs are aligned at the bottom, and move closer, and then you just push these tabs in like that. And then there's one in the back, and your new engine air filter is installed. So the cabin air filter is behind this portion of the glove box. So what you have to do is remove the glove box. It just makes it a bit easier. So open your glove box, and you'll note behind here, it's hard to see, but behind here are a couple of hinges on this side and that side. And all we need to do is just right here. So all we need to do is just push the glove box out towards the inside of the car, and it should come out. So here we go. I'm gonna put this aside. It's ideal to remove all the stuff from your glove box, but so now this is where the cabin air filter is, and you can see it's even indicated the upside, so you cannot put it back the wrong direction. So you just press the tab, push it out, nice and simple. Here's the old one, and again it says up. There you have it. The one behind is the old one, this is the new one. Close it, and that's it. So to put the glove box back, you can see these two tabs. You just align them with the tabs on the actual glove box compartment. And you push it in towards your car. There we go. And it's done. Anyways, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys later.